morning, good afternoon, good evening! It's officially Vlogmas time! Yeah! Na-excite ako sa Vlogmas. As in, excited din ba kayo? Nilook forward ko talaga yung Vlogmas. Since hindi ko na-upload ng on time yung aking ganap last November 24. That was the event of Kalye. Thank you so much, Chef Sarah, for inviting me. Thank you, Ma'am Shelly. Maraming salamat for entertaining us. So, naisip ko, ito na lang ang aking i-vlogmas at hindi ko siya na-introhan ng vlogmas dahil hindi ko inakala na ma-upload ko siya ng December. Hindi ko din akalain na sobrang tatama rin ako last week of November, as in. Kaya pala, last week of November, gilaay ko ba? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gilaay sa Tagalog. Ganito ako lagi pag may problemang darating sa akin. Ganito ako mga 3, 4, 5, or even a week na naboboryong ako. So, ayun nga. Nagkaroon nga ng result yung aking pagkaboryong. Another problema na naman, but hindi ko na siya i-share sa inyo. So, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa aming event sa Kalye. Thank you so much, Chef Sarah and Shelly's Cooking. Thank you! Good afternoon! This is afternoon night, it's already 3 p.m. Today is Sunday. Nag-check ako ng mga pictures ko kanina ba. Nakita ko yung invitation ng Kalye by Chef Sarah. Akala ko kasi 26 yun. 24 pala. So ngayon siya, mamayang gabi. Buti na lang talaga na-check ko yung mga photos ko. Kasi pag hindi ko yun nagawa, nakaligtaan ko na yung schedule na invited pala ako today. Sabi ko pa kay Nico, 26 yun eh. Tuesday yun siya ng gabi. Buti na lang talaga nakita ko. Kasi pag nagkataon, wala nang event pagka Tuesday. Lalagay ko na lang yung info sa description box. Sana i-follow nyo ang Kalye by Chef Sarah. Lalagay ko yung details sa description box. At anyway, we are on our way to Munich. It's an hour plus drive to Munich. So first time kong mag-drive sa city ng Munich. Nakapag-drive na ako within Munich but not in the center talaga, no? At ayoko talagang mag-drive sa sentro ng Munich dahil napaka-traffic doon. Ewan ko na lang. At yung event pala is at 6 p.m. pero inagahan namin 3 p.m. So by 4 something nandoon na kami kasi kikitain pa namin sila Thomas at saka si Elena.
Nach 3 Kilometern am Autobahnkreuz 99 Kreuz Regensburg einen der 2 rechten Fahrstreifen benutzen, um den Schildern auf A93 Richtung München, Ingolstadt zu folgen.
Jawohl. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kaninang umaga. Supposedly, yung plano ko is maaga akong gigising tapos gagawa ako ng banana bread, gagawa si Nico ng bread. Basta, dami naming hanash today, Sunday, pero tinamad na naman ako kaya hindi na naman ako bumangon ng maaga. Wala talaga sana akong planong mag-vlog for today. But then, nakita ko na may event nga for today, so nag-vlog na lang ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang mangyayari doon sa event. Wala akong ka-idea kung anong gagawin ko doon. Since 6 p.m. pa naman yung event, siguro maaga kami pupunta doon. Nakita ko kasi sa Instagram ng Kalye na fully booked sila today. We'll see kung maisingit pa namin yung dalawa naming friend ni Nico, si Thomas at saka si Elena. Sana maisingit pa natin sila, no? Alam niyo, excited ako, Nung kinontak ako ni Chef Sarah, sabi ko talaga sa kanya, I will make time for you, Chef. Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala kay Chef Sarah, siya yung organizer ng Philippine Food and Culture Festival dito sa Munich. Sobrang successful ng kanilang event as in. So, I'm sure na this event will be successful as well. Andito pala si Nico nasa gilid. Say hi, my chats.
Hi. smile, there will be Filipino food.
Yeah. Nagpalit kami ni Nico mag-drive. It's 3:49. Kinailangan kong makipagpalit sa kanya dahil yung sinag ng araw sobrang tapat na tapat siya sa amin at hindi ako abot netong sunshield. Sunshield ba tawag nito?
Dem Straßenverlauf von A3.
Hindi ako abot kaya sobrang tapat na tapat siya tapos hindi ko makikita yung daan. Meron pa kaming 47 minutes. Buti na lang maganda yung weather. Nakikisama yung weather. Excited na ako eh. Super. Sasagutin na tanong dito from Ma'am Karinal 7563. Sabi niya, pwede pala Shopee sa iPhone, but ayaw mag-download sa akin. Ma'am, kung nasa ibang bansa po kayo, kung wala kayo sa Philippines, make sure na yung Apple Store niyo po is naka-set up siya ng Philippines na country. Hindi po siya mada-download kung naka-ibang bansa siya or yung bansa na walang Shopee. Etong Shopee ko, dinownload ko din siya nung nasa Pilipinas ako dahil naka-Philippines yung phone ko. Yung countries lang na may Shopee, available siya, mada-download nyo siya. So, make sure na yung setting nyo, yung purchase country nyo, naka-Philippines siya para ma-download nyo yung Shopee. Tanong ni Ma'am Marilyn Aramay. Hi Ma'am! Sabi niya, happy anniversary to you both. Sweet, loving couple. More years to celebrate your anniversary. Tanong ko lang kung sino matampuhin sa inyong dalawa. Ako, sobrang bilis kong magtampo. Dati pa talaga ako matampuhin talaga ako. Mabilis akong magtampo. Mabilis akong masaktan. As in, mababaw lang yung reason na masaktan ako. Madali akong maiyak. Madali akong masaktan. As in, lahat na madali sa akin. Last is from Lani Cantano 1551. Tunay ba teeth mo or false teeth? Curious lang. Tunay po yung aking ipin except dito, tsaka dito are implants. Tapos dito is bridge. Dito is pustiso dahil wala pang budget magpa-bridge. Pero nakaplano na by next year makapagpa-bridge na ako dito. We'll see kung magkaroon ng budget. Kasi ang mahal ng pa-bridge dito ay para sa akin, kailangan mo talagang mag-invest sa ngipin. Kasi ngipin is very important sa iyong appearance as in. Napapansin nyo, pag ngumiti ako, meron ako dito parang black. Ayan siya. Diyan siya. Implant yan siya.
Letzte Vierteljahr bin ich sehr oft gefahren, im September, Oktober.
Nach 200 Metern weiter geradeaus auf Sternstraße. Rechts abbiegen auf Obermeierstraße, dann links abbiegen auf Tierstraße. Links abbiegen auf Tierstraße.
Nandito na kami. Actually, kanina pa kami dumating. At yung kasama namin, friends namin, wala kasi silang space. So, hindi sila makakapasok. Nandito kami sa Terra. Ayan. At na-meet na namin kanina si Chef Sarah. Dumating na ang aming madam. Oh. Hi sa food sa ko ang vlog din.
Kumusta na kayong lahat?
Hoy, bakit ka formal ngayon?
Kasi, hindi ko alam. Kasi pa hindi kayo dito. So, dapat formal lang tayo today.
So, ito pala ang menu nila, Chef Sarah. Yan yung starter nila. Merong okoy, crispy siomai. Yung siomai, sobrang sarap niyan. adobo wings, and sisig bites. Main course, caldereta, lechon kawali. Yung lechon kawali, sobrang sarap din yan. Chicken inasal, fresh lumpia, crispy palabok. Yung palabok guys, fave ko yan. Gusto ko yung palabok ng Mang Inasal. Then, by Ma'am Shelly naman, Shelly's Cooking. Merong ubi cheesecake, buko pandan, brazo de Mercedes, and then mango float. Ito yung nilulook forward ko, mango float tart. Dito na yung aming starter. We have crispy wings, merong kimchi, and then merong, I think ito yung sisig bites. Tapos merong kimchi sa ilalim. Then yung main dish namin, chicken inasal. Tapos ito yung dessert, ube cheesecake ata to siya. And then brazo de Mercedes. Dankeschön. Danke, danke. Ito is caldereta. Mga on.
After 2 hours, finally.
Andito na yung aming pagkain. Thank you so much, Chef Sarah and Shelly's Cooking. Ang sarap. Very good the starter oil. Hello! Tapos na kami sa event ni Chef Sarah and Ma'am Shelly. Super busog na busog kaming dalawa. Uy, as in. Sobrang puno yung bar. Maliit lang kasi siya na bar. Sobrang busy ni Chef Sarah kaya hindi tayo gaanong na-entertain ni Chef Sarah. Kanina hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung dumating kami dahil dumating kami. Tapos, sila Thomas at saka si Elena, nandun na din nag-aantay sa amin. Nung nakalabas na kami ng park house, nandun sila kaya diretsyo na nag-walking kami. Walang vacant para kay Thomas at saka kay Elena. So sad na hindi sila nakasama sa amin. Nagchikahan lang kami while walking, nag-update sa live. Pumunta kami sa bar nung event ni Chef Sarah. Dumating kami doon ng 5:50. I guess sa bahay ko na lang siya i-continue dahil yung ating lighting is madilim na. See you sa bahay na lang. Ang lamig. Hello! Nandito na kami sa bahay. It's already 10:40. Kakarating lang talaga namin galing sa Munich. Ginoo ko Lord. Oras na ng tulog dahil bukas balik trabaho na naman siya. What can you say about first, the venue?
Well, it's modernly decorated.
Diba I went to the restroom? The restroom is really, really nice. I was super amazed with their restroom. Eye-catching. How about the food?
We received, I think, the adobo wings and sisig bites and kimchi. The adobo wings were okay, not bad, but the sisig bites were quite good. I liked it.
That was his favorite.
Here's this salmon sarap. Yeah.
Sarap? Masarap? Oder was?
Sarap, ja. Wie ist das so? Salami sarap. Ja.
Salami sarap. Sobrang sarap.
Sobrang sarap, sag ich ko.
Tatlo yung na-receive namin, kinain niya yung dalawa. Isa lang yung kinain ko dahil ako din yung mostly kumain ng wings. Nico was never a fan of adobo ever since.
We received 2 main courses.
Beef caldereta, mashed sweet potato pala yung side dish.
The princess onions. Is it princess onions? The small, like
I don't-
onion hearts.
I don't know the name, but it was the small onions.
And the second dish was the chicken salad.
Salami.
Yes, salty chicken also.
Paka lagay. Chicken inasal.
Chicken in salsa. So the beef, I like like the spices, it was very tender, and the mash I like also, but the sauce and the onions were sour. It's not my taste.
Yeah.
I don't like sour foods, so
Yeah.
it's not really my taste.
For me, it's okay. I'm not also a fan of caldereta, but the mashed sweet potato I like.
Yeah, it was good, and also the beef was very tender.
Nico ate it all.
Nearly all I saved one piece.
Yeah, because it's the fat.
And then the chicken in a salt. The chicken was also tender, very tender, but for me it was a plain taste, like it has only a strong garlic flavor, no other spice. For me it's missing salt and spices.
He's really a salty person. Even here in the house, if I'm cooking, he's into salty. I also like salty foods, but in cooking, I don't want my food to be that salty as his. And I like the chicken inasal and the rice. I just miss the sauce of the chicken inasal.
Yes, there was no sauce.
I just miss the sauce. The papaya salad or the achara is really good. I like it also. And the dessert, we have first the brazo de Mercedes.
We received first before all other foods.
It was also good, but for me, I'm not into sweet foods.
It's a little too sweet, I think.
But it's a good combination. It's with maracuya. I don't know what's maracuya in English. Maybe it's also maracuya.
Yeah, passion fruit maybe.
Passion fruit. Okay. It was a good combination of flavor. It has sour, sweet, and very sweet.
Yeah, also the egg snow.
Yeah.
A nice consistency.
But I can only take 2 or 3 bites of them because it's very sweet for my taste. But the ube cheesecake was really good. I like it. It's not too sweet. It's enough for my taste. Presentation of the food is really nice. For me, you can really compare it in the 4-star, 5-star. I'm really a fan of like how you place the food, how you prepare, how you arrange the food. I'm really into it. It's an eye-catching and it's very beautiful. So what's your verdict of the starter chicken adobo out of 5?
I think I would give it 3.
How about the sisig bites?
I think this is really 5. It was crispy and
Yeah.
also tasty, and
Yeah.
the sauce complementing it was very nice.
For me, the chicken crispy adobo is 5 out of 5. And the sisig bite would be 4/5. The main course, the beef caldereta.
Beef caldereta I think is 4.
For me, it's also 4 out of 5. The chicken inasal is
And
also.
for me it's really only 2.
Fun fact, Nico is not a fan of chicken. For me,
So-
it's 4 out of 5. And the brazo de Mercedes, I can give 4 out of 5. How about you?
Yeah,
5
so
out
4.
of 5 out of 4.
No, 5. No.
Okay. The ube cheesecake, for me, it's 5. For
Yeah.
you also?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for having us. Congratulations, Ma'am Sarah, for your pop-up restaurant. Congratulations to the whole team. And that's our video for today. You end the vlog.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Good evening, good morning. Sitting in your hut. It's the beginning. So the end. Cut. Finished. Good night.
Good night, Amping.
Pumping.
It's the beginning, the end.
Go away.